So if, like me, you love to schedule a task in ChatGPT, then you would have been disappointed to see that that feature has disappeared from the free and the $20 a month version of ChatGPT, which is what I use. But I found a workaround, because at the moment it's only available in the $200 a month version of ChatGPT. But if you've scheduled tasks before, then you can edit them. So let me show you how that works. If you go into your profile and find settings, you've got schedules in here. If I click on that, these are all of the previous paused scheduled tasks that I have. And as you can see, I went through a bit of a phase of scheduling good for me tasks, which I haven't done. But we can take any of these and redo them, update them. So I'm just going to take one of these, do a mini exercise break. If I click edit, I've got some instructions ready to go. And this is all about latest Microsoft Copilot updates. So I want this prompt to go out and look at what the latest updates are on Microsoft Copilot. And I want it to happen every week. So I could just decide when I want that to happen. I'm going to click it for Thursday. Let's leave it at 2 p.m. And then I'm going to hit save. And that's it. Oh, sorry, it is showing as resume. So I need to resume that because it's currently paused. We can repause it at any point. I hit save. And then that should show up as a scheduled task. And there we go. On Thursday, I'm going to get my updates. There you go. Love a workaround. And if you want more like this, then make sure you subscribe.